Hey guys, this is Samsung American style fridge freezer. This is 2079 quid here, and it got 20 years warranty here. See what it looks like. This one got twin metal cooling. You can see ice maker here. Ice maker. It's so cool, and it's very chill. You can also pay to trade in, so get at least 10% off selected Samsung tech when you trade in the old tech. So this one, you can see, got water dispenser, ice, cubed ice and crushed ice here. And this, so you got this, got a food freshness convertible section dispenser. See what it looks like here. This is powerful fridge freezer, 2079 pound. This is Samsung American style fridge freezer. This is so cool, very chilled. This is very powerful. And this one is Samsung fridge freezer. Let's see what it looks like. This is powerful. This is family hub. And this one is just little. It's beautiful experience. And this one is 2099 pound. This one is Samsung American style fridge freezer, food freshness convertible section dispenser. Discover our fridge freezers. So touch to begin. See, this is beautiful stuff. This is family hub, and this one is the energy rate is E. This is powerful, very nice. So this is very huge. You'll see what it looks like. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7 sections. This is huge. Nice.